If you guys want to see this Antsy Pants food truck, just keep watching.
Best invention ever! A food truck!
Do you All right, Brantley, what do we have here? This is the Antsy Pants what?
Antsy food truck.
Antsy Pants food truck. Okay, so fun fact about Antsy Pants stuff, when you get them, unless it says that it's an actual kit, you get a cover, which we found that out at his birthday yesterday when we opened it up and there were no poles. So that means that you have to buy the poles for most of their covers. So any like truck, you usually have to buy the poles for. Some of them come as a kit, some of them don't. So be careful that you're reading the box to see if you're getting a cover or if you're getting the actual kit with poles. Food truck cover itself, I think, was between $30 and $40, and the poles were, well, the ones for the trucks were like the ice cream truck and the food truck are $80. So they didn't have just a set for the trucks. It just came as a large kit, which can do multiple things, which is great, but you know, $80 is a lot of money.
Let's see, riding in his dad, is that?
Riding in his dad, yeah, kind of like riding in his dad. Holes, there's like little bumps in the connectors. For instance, like this, there's like these little bumps right here. So like,
it's like a gate.
When you connect them,
it's like a gate that you don't go through, so
you just have to wiggle them until basically they go through the hole. I need the rest of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we ready? 4. The food truck. Okay, the front of the truck. Where's it at? Okay, here's the front. So, what do you tell the YouTube channel?
Thank you for watching our video. Hit our subscribe button and hit the subscribe button.
The subscribe button. Give our video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you know that when we post another video, huh?
Yep.
Do you want to serve our friends on YouTube, on our channel? Do you want to serve them some food? What kind of food are you going to sell them?
Nothing.
Are you going to make them some?
No. Best invention